Oh my gamut. So, hi you guys. What am I going to do for a prank? Because I'm thinking of making a new prank series. And hi Bear and hi Steph. You guys over there.
Ugh.
Yeah, cut it out. Oh, I got you guys. So, I'm thinking of this new prank series. Because I always search on YouTube Prank Wars. And it's my favorite thing to watch on YouTube. So that must mean you guys must like watching Prank Wars on YouTube too. So, you guys mind doing me a favor and putting it down in the comments right there, like what I should do for pranks, and I would really enjoy that. And then we can start this prank war, and I love it. My dad, he says, Sam, I'll delete your account if you make anything bad, so don't make it too harsh. Okay, guys? Who am I kidding? Make it as harsh as you want to be. Okay, so bye, guys. Please go in the comments, and I'll try to make a prank video today. So, thanks. Please, 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 please go in the comments. I mean, seriously, right now, I want to do a prank, but I don't know anything. So, thank you. Bye. Don't forget, right there. It's easy as pie. Just type it. Alright? Type it, type. All I gotta do is type some little letters. Not random, no, thank you. And I will see if I can do that. By the way, I should. So, but make sure it's easy and you'll be able to do it at home and you don't have to buy anything because my dad will get upset at that. So,